Welcome everyone to the 10,000 cooking competition.
I'm here to win. Nobody cooks better than me.
Round 1 burger challenge.
Burgers are my specialty.
I'm the best at making burgers. Watch me assemble this beautiful burger for you. Perfect. This is going to be a winner.
This will be the best burger in America.
Incredible. Keep stacking, sir.
Greatest.
All right, this burger's coming together.
Fresh tomatoes, perfect.
One more patty, and it's a masterpiece. This burger is worth $10,000. Wow, both burgers are amazing.
This oven is fake news. Final round, spicy noodle. Too spicy, Vespa.
The winner of the $10,000 cooking competition is...
The winner is...
That was crazy. I will wet phone next time.